Hi everyone, my name is Ayusha from YCC Second Year Electronics Department.
And I am Anushka Zade from YCC Second Year Electronic Department. Our project name is
Arduino based obstacle avoidance remote control plus voice control robot.
And we are performing this as a part of task of team submission activity of Team Pragyastra. For 6V 200 RPM TT gear motor, one Arduino Uno, it will act as the brain of the robot. One DC motor driver to control motor. One ultrasonic sensor to detect object in front of the robot. One HC05 Bluetooth module to receive the voice command from our smartphone. One proximity IR sensor to detect the object behind of the robot. One HG90 micro servo motor to rotate the robot set. Some jumper wires. One 3D printed holder to hold the ultrasonic sensor. One DC battery switch. 13x10 semi-acrylic sheet. Two lithium-ion batteries. And 4 wheels.
Drop small amount of glue on each 4 corners of the acrylic sheet. And then attach the motors one by one. Now it's time for the wheels. Using double-sided tape to mount Arduino Uno. For controlling the motor, we need motor drivers. Simply just mount it on the Arduino Uno. And then count the motor wire and tighten the screw properly. Here is a simplified diagram. Now connecting HC05 Bluetooth module for receiving the voice command from our smartphone. Using double-sided tape to mount it and then connecting the wires. Now we need proximity IR sensor to detect object behind the robot. Attach the sensor at the bottom side. Now connect its wire. Using ultrasonic sensor to detect the object in front of the robot using sensor holder. To rotate the robot neck, we need SG90 servo motor. Mounting the ultrasonic sensor on the servo motor. Drop small amount of glue and attach the servo motor. After that, connect the servo motor connector with the servo pin 1 of motor driver. Now connecting the ultrasonic sensor. Now it's time to upload the sketch in Arduino Uno, connecting robot and laptop with USB cable. This is the sketch. Verify and compiling the sketch. After that, make sure that board and port are connected properly. And then uploading the sketch. Sketch uploaded successfully. Go backward. Go forward. Turn right. Turn right. Turn left. Turn left.